Options for stopping people tagging on Facebook. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, please subscribe to the channel as it helps it grow, and if this video helps, make sure to leave a like. Now let's head to the video. First, we open the Facebook app. On the top left, you'll find the three lines. Click on that, and then you choose on settings and privacy, and you select the settings option. Once you select the setting option, you go on the search bar on the top, and you have to search for profile and tagging. The reason I'm telling you to search so that it's easier to find it, and then click on profile and tagging. Here you have to do 3 steps very carefully. You have to click on who can see your post that you're tagged to. From here you have to choose only me and click on save, and when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to see, you have to click on only me. From friends you have to remove it to only me, and the third step you have to scroll down, and the last option here is review post your tag in before the post appears on your profile. So before post appears on your profile that you are tagged into, it is reviewed by you and approved by you. You have to turn that option on. So once you follow these 3 steps, your options for stopping people from tagging you on Facebook is completed. So if this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.